So I'm trying to make some cheese boards with these rough sawn 4/4 inch walnut and some maple strips, planing, so jointing and planing on these two machines. And I have the thin baffle dust separator, sucking all the sawdust from these two, planer and jointer. That's a lot of dust. One of the reasons why these are so useful. All right, empty this out, resume. All right, so got all these pieces milled. All dimensional cuts are made, except for the final length after gluing. All these maple strips are cut too. It's kind of tricky to cut these thin strips on table saw, but that's the most accurate way I can do it with my existing equipment, so I have to be careful with this. And then these will be glued together like this. The sand finish, we're done. So these are all done in terms of gluing together. Came out good. So cleanup, the glue cleanup. I tried everything for scraping off the dried up glue, excess glue that's squeezed out. This, I don't know where I found this, but this works amazing. Just any thick gauge straight steel piece will do, but just use it as a scraper. So I have it, the dog hole there. I just scrape. You don't need a plane or chisel. It just works. It just works. All right, so I had to plane it down to the desired thickness, which is about 3/4. I had to run that guy again to get it all flat on each side, and just cutting all the edges to 18 3/4 length this way, and then 12 1/4 here. Looking good. So I have to clean this up and start rounding the edges and sanding. Then we're done and finish, oil finish. So I rounded all the edges. Took a while. And look at that. Man. I do have adequate suction, but just router is just router. Router be router. Just a lot of mess. But it came out nice. A little bit of cleanup, sanding, finish, put the legs on, we're done. So my cheese boards are done. These are from Amazon. It's hard rubber feet. I love these. Sizable, sturdy. And it's got stainless steel washer inside, as well as stainless steel screws, which is perfect for food application. Mineral oil, it looks nice. I already gifted 3, and yeah, I love these patterns.